Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next series of videos that is Robot Framework. Okay, in this series of videos, we are going to see one very important framework, which is which the many companies are opting for this framework. And if suppose right company needs to create a python based language framework, they opt for this framework. So this framework is called as a robot framework. So robot framework is a open source popular test automation framework mainly used for acceptance testing and BDD driven testing. Okay, BDD means behavioral driven development testing, and it also helps in robotic process automation. Okay, so basically it's a Python based framework, and mainly it supports keyword data driven testing and behavioral testing. Okay, for example, I've created some keywords. You'll see this in detail while doing the code in the next videos. There will be some keywords like open browser, okay, maximize browser windows, wait, until, okay, like input text, press keys, like that. There will be some keywords. With that, we write these keywords and we execute the framework. So it is based on some keywords, it operates. Okay, that is the main purpose, right? So we write some BDD steps, that calls the innerly, it calls the creates step definition, and it reduces the time in writing the large amount of code. So it has some inbuilt methods which is called with the help of these keywords. Okay, that is why many companies opt for a framework, so they're minimizing the time in writing more number of codes. Okay, so we it works with the Python keywords, and it can be integrated with the Python libraries. Okay, we use ID called PyCharm or VS Code, and we use pip for installing all these libraries and plugins. Okay, and this can be integrated with robot framework, can be integrated with Selenium, popular web automation tool, Playwright. Okay, it can be used in as a request, and mobile automation also. Okay, request is used for API automation, right? In Java world, we call it as REST assured, whereas in API automation, we call that library as an request. Okay, so for API automation, we use request for automating the APIs. Okay, the main feature is keyword driven testing, and it has a very good reporting, rich reporting that we'll see, and we use for data driven testing, passing multiple values, and very simple easy syntax. And main one of the thing is cross platform support it has, and it also helps in robot process automation. All these things are basic things, all these things are basic things in the robot framework. So it helps in web UI automation, API testing, it helps in database testing, RPA, that is robot process automation, and also desktop app automation. So all these things are features of robot framework. This video is about just a small short introduction and installation of the robot framework. For installing the robot framework, we should go to the Google. Okay, and you should download PyCharm ID for writing the code. Okay, I already have my machine. I can go PyCharm download for Windows. Okay, so this you can download, and you can install. If you have any need any help, you can ping us in the in the YouTube comments. We'll help you. You can contact us. Okay, so we have our official site where we have our official contact number. You can contact us. Adding lot of frameworks. You can also see it in our official site. I'm adding slowly lot of frameworks in our website also. Okay, let's go on to the topic. So we should download the PyCharm ID, and also you should download the Python also. Okay, so you should download the Python for downloads. You should go here, download Python, and download 3.0 13.4, that is the latest version available in right in the market. So you can download it and you can install it. Okay, so this is how right we should do both the PyCharm installation, that is an ID for integrated development environment for writing the code, and also the Python language. So since we are going to write integrate robot framework with Python, so we are going to install the Python also. Okay, so after installation we need to confirm whether it's installed or not. We need to go to the right command prompt, and right we can give this right very simple. So you can see the same thing we give right Java hyphen version, same thing you can give right Python hyphen version. So you can see right after it's installed, you can able to see right, you can confirm it whether Python 3.13 dot right 3 is right installed. Okay, and make sure that pip is installed in your machine, so that we need to add the plugins and libraries that with help of the pip. Okay, so right, oh sorry, this one. Okay, so the pip is right installed. Okay, so now right after Python is installed, make sure right you copy both this right yeah, this path, right, and you have to set in the environmental variables. You need to go to environmental variables. Okay, go to environmental variables and go to the path, and right we need to edit it, right, and we need to add this both the path, right. I've already added a lot of things, right, this Python I've added in the environmental variables. Make sure right it will be in your app data, your user and username, and you should go to the app data local programs Python 313 3.13, and next one is right, and the scripts. Okay, both this path you should make sure you're adding in the environmental variables under the path, right, and you have to add right, edit it and click edit it and add right, click new and add both the paths. Okay, make sure you're adding both the paths here. Then we need to install the robot framework, right. We've already done that. Okay, for that we need to use this command pip install robot framework. I'll already given install, just install it. Right, the robot framework will be installed, or it is updated, right. Next one is, if I want to add the install the Selenium library also, right, for the robot framework, I can use this command pip install robot framework hyphen Selenium library. Same we can use it for playwright or request also, that we'll see in the future videos. So in this series of videos we are going to see Python robot framework with Selenium automation, and after that we are going to see about playwright automation. Then we are going to see a DB automation also. So all these right different automations we'll see in this framework slowly. Hope this one will be useful for you. Okay, so and as I told you, I've added lot of right, I'm adding still, there a lot of work is going on. So I'm adding lot of frameworks right in this right in my website also, you can use it also. Okay, so but still there a lot of work is going on in background. I think this will be complete after 3 to 4 months. Okay, so as of now, right, you go through this video and you follow the next videos to understand more about the Python programming. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Meet you soon next.